Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we are paying off our debt using the savings from digital coupons and cashback apps. So today we're heading over to Walmart because there's so many freebies and moneymaker deals that we're going to take advantage of. I also found some products 90% off on clearance. So I'll show you guys what to look out for because some clearance is hidden. It's not in the regular clearance section. It's throughout the entire store. So I always walk around the store and look for as much clearance as I can find for you guys. So stay tuned for that in the video. If you guys are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're on a debt payoff journey as well, you want to be able to start saving more money to create more breathing room in your budget, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Next Tuesday, I'm super excited. I'm doing my first live workshop, which is going to be about 2.5 hours, where we're going to be going in depth, step by step for my exact 5-step plan, how you can create more breathing room in your budget. We're going to be putting together deals on that live workshop together. So you'll leave the workshop with digital deals that you can actually go to the store and do. So you'll learn and see firsthand, step by step, exactly how I'm finding these deals. So that way you can save 75% on all of your family essentials. So that link is going to be below for you guys in the description box. You can go to breworkshops.com/silver and you guys can register for the workshop. You will get a replay of that workshop as well. So if you're not able to attend live, no worries. You'll be able to get that replay and you can watch it, rewatch it as many times as you want. Let's head inside to Walmart and take advantage of some amazing deals this week.
Next deal, my store is sold out. You want to get the small Persil, but it has to be the original type, which my store is out of. It's $5.44. You'll submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. Then you can submit over to Shopkick for $3.24 back. The limit is 3. So you could get 3 if you want. If you grab only one of them, it makes it 70 cents. First, we're starting with some amazing laundry deals. So as you can see, Arm & Hammer is really popular right now. My store only has one left of these, unfortunately. You want to get the Clean Burst. It has to be the Clean Burst. The 43 ounce or 43 loads is $3.84. Grab 2 of them. You can submit to Swagbucks for $3 back when you buy 2 and submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. I'm only going to be able to grab 1, so Swagbucks is going to give me $1 back, so that'll make it just 84 cents for one of these. Next, we have a really nice moneymaker, so we're going to get to try these new Glade products that I'm super excited about because they removed the 2 cents that you had to get, like the Aqua Wave or something, which my store doesn't have. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're $2.98 each. You're going to submit over to Ibotta for $2 cash back, then submit over to Checkout 51 for $2 back, and on Swagbucks, you'll get $2 back. That's gonna make 2 of them completely free. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. They're $2.82. You're gonna grab 2 of them. Submit over to Swagbucks for $2 back when you buy 2, and submit over to Checkout 51 for $2 back on 2. Makes them only 82 cents a piece. We also have a cashback offer on Johnson & Johnson. So these products over here are the cheapest ones at $4.78. Submit over to Ibotta for $1 cash back. The limit is 1. Makes it $3.78. Not the best deal, but any savings is better than no savings. If you have a baby shower or something coming up, definitely grab it so you can add it in your gift basket. Next, we have a great deal on the Ensure Max Protein. My mom drinks this, so I'm going to do the deal. It's $10.97. There is a $6 cashback offer on Ibotta. There was a $5 coupon reimbursement on Swagbucks, but I don't see it anymore, so they must have taken it down. So it went from being free to costing $4.97, but that honestly is a really good deal for protein. And like I said, my mom drinks it, so it's a great deal for me to do. Next, we're grabbing some of the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I'm going to get the Complete Care for $3.98. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Limit is 1. Then submit to Checkout 51 for $1.50 as well. Makes it only 98 cents, which is 75% off. There's also a half off deal on these new Max Fresh flavors here that are $4.96. You can grab 1, submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back, makes it $2.46. Can definitely get it much cheaper at Walgreens and CVS this week, but they don't have these flavors, so up to you if it's a deal you want to do. The next moneymaker deal is on these gum soft picks. They are $2.96. Grab any of them. This one is the cheapest one. Then you can submit over to Checkout 51 for $2 back. And on Swagbucks, you'll get $2 back. Makes it free and $1.04 moneymaker. Now let's make sure that we're always keeping an eye out for clearance. In the hair accessories aisle, there's a ton of clearance on the clips over here. And there's some clearance on the elastic bands, which I'm gonna suck up on because I always lose them. I don't know why. I don't really like the goodies, but I think I'm gonna grab these. This is like my new favorite kind. Even though I wish they were black, we're gonna roll with it. Oh, here's one too. These could make really good stocking stuffers. You could also put them in Easter baskets. So definitely check this aisle if it's something you need. And holy freaking moly, I forgot to film this when I was in the aisle because I obviously got way too excited. Guess how much these clothes are? You're never gonna guess. Up to 90% off. I have a couple baby showers coming up with little girls. So this one is super cute, $5. All of these are $1. $1. This one was $8, it's $1. This one was $10, it's $1. What? Look at this one too. Oh my gosh, guys. Love is kind. How freaking cute is that? Also $1, or no, $3. Worth it. So I'm definitely stocking up. If you need baby clothes or if you have a baby shower coming up, get your butt to Walmart. Another clearance find is going to be on the 4 count. It's still in the like winter and holiday scents at $6.72 on clearance. They actually have a couple available. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back, then submit over to Shopkick. You'll get back $4.24. Makes your final cost a little less than $1. It's like 98 cents. Amazing deal.
All right, we are back from Walmart. I did forget to do one moneymaker deal. I'm so mad at myself, but I didn't check my breakdown before I left. So that's definitely my fault, but I'll probably just take advantage of it next week. I'm so excited about all of those kids' clothes that I got for the baby showers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Putting together baby shower gift baskets is probably one of my favorite things to do. And obviously, being able to give them so much more value that I'm paying allows me to just really stretch my budget on gifts and just give them the best that I possibly can, which I absolutely love. So let's go over the receipt. I spent $62.47 on the products that I personally grabbed. Then I submitted over to Ibotta. I got $22.25 back. Anything over 20 bucks, you can cash out immediately. So as long as you have that up to 20 bucks, you can cash out, which is so cool. So I'll get that money back. It usually clears within 24 hours. Like, it's very fast. I did not hit my midweek bonus because it was only $1 for 15 rebates. So I wasn't even really worried about it. I didn't even try to hit it, to be honest. I think I only did like 10 rebates, but to get another 5 rebates on products I don't need just to get $1 back would have been wasting money out of my budget. So your budget, your out-of-pocket cost is the most important part of this entire journey. So keep that in mind. Then Shopkick, I got back $13.84. Checkout 51, I got back $7.50. And Swag Bucks, I submitted for $7.50 as well. The $1 is the instant rebate. The other is going to be coupon reimbursement. So that always goes pending and it usually clears in a couple days. So my final cost is about $11.38. The most important part though about the whole day, now that I'm home, what I'm gonna do is open up my budget spreadsheet. It's gonna take me 45 seconds. Let me show you guys exactly how to enter in all of the details. You've gotta make sure that you're tracking your spending because what you don't track, you can't manage. And that's how at the end of the month, I've already made an additional payments toward my debt, my student loans, what I'm attacking right now, of $591 so far this year, in addition to the regular payments. So that way I'm on track to be 100% debt free this year. But part of that is being consistent, tracking your spending. It takes you 45 seconds. So don't let time being an excuse for yourself. If you want a spreadsheet and you want to use mine, you can download it. You can click that below. Let's head inside and I'll show you how easy it is to track your spending without getting overwhelmed. So now that we're inside on my computer, we have the March tab pulled up that you see here on the bottom. If you grab this budget spreadsheet, it does come with a video training that teaches you how to set up each of the tabs. So first you'll do the financial goals, annual dashboard. You don't have to do anything for that one. It's just going to pull data from the rest of the spreadsheet. And then budget setup, super important. So you can set your budget for each of the different categories. So now that we're in March, you're going to go over to the coupon trips section. And what we're going to do is put in the date. Then you're going to pick the store from the drop down. Sale price is just going to be the retail price of all the different products. So we are at, and then obviously I paid the same out of pocket. And then total cash back, let me add it up. It's going to be from all the different apps. So the good thing about these apps is it is actual cash back. It's not gift cards. So I can transfer all of this to PayPal and from PayPal to my bank account. I got $51.09 cash back. So my cash cost, how much real money it cost me for all of those products, $14.08 in total. So I saved 78.39% today at Walmart. And all we used is our phone, which is super exciting. Total money earned is also going to automatically update for you. I've saved $177.10 in the very first week of March. It's only been 3 days. So that is the power of tracking your spending. Everything's going to calculate for you. So all of the white, you're going to update yourself. Everything pink has formulas in it, so it's going to update for you. So you don't have to worry about updating that manually. So if you are looking for more help with being able to save money on all of your products, creating that breathing room, paying off your debt so you don't have that lingering nonsense over your head where it just feels so heavy every month that you have all of these payments that are due, then come to my live workshop. I would absolutely love to have you. It's going to be 2.5 hours. I have a full 20-30 minute Q&A at the end as well. It's going to come with a full workbook that we are going to be working through together. It's a very hands-on workshop. Then we're doing the Q&A at the end. Excuse me. So if you have any questions, please bring them so I can help you. The recording is included as well. So you can click the link here so you can reserve your seat. It's going to be on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you guys there. Bye.